Welcome to Rome Tips. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful business advice. All the links mentioned in this Fundbox review, along with other helpful resources, are available in the description below. This review reflects my personal experience using Fundbox. Fundbox is a business financing platform tailored to provide quick and adaptable funding solutions for small and medium-sized enterprises, SMEs. Prioritizing simplicity and speed, Fundbox is a great fit for business owners requiring rapid access to capital without the cumbersome processes often associated with traditional loan applications. A key feature of Fundbox is its line of credit, offering businesses access to up to $150,000 in flexible financing. This is an ideal solution for managing cash flow fluctuations, covering operational costs, or capitalizing on growth opportunities. Unlike traditional lump sum loans, you only pay for the funds you actually use, making it a cost-effective option for businesses with variable financial needs. Repayment terms are short, either 12 or 24 weeks, enabling you to quickly recycle funds and avoid long-term debt accumulation. The application process itself is streamlined and efficient. Fundbox employs an automated system that analyzes your business's financial health by connecting to your business bank account and accounting software. Decisions are often rendered within minutes, and funds can be accessible as soon as the next business day. This rapid turnaround time is a significant advantage for businesses confronting urgent expenses or unforeseen opportunities. Fundbox also shines with its transparent pricing structure. There are no hidden fees or origination costs. You'll have a clear understanding of the costs involved upfront. This transparency simplifies financial planning for business owners and eliminates unexpected charges. Fundbox is especially well suited for small businesses with consistent revenue streams but lacking the extensive credit history typically required by traditional lenders. If your business has been operating for at least 6 months and generates $100,000 or more in annual revenue, you're likely a good candidate for Fundbox financing. This accessibility empowers newer businesses or those with less than perfect credit scores. However, it's important to note that Fundbox's shorter repayment terms translate to higher weekly payments. This could pose a challenge for businesses already operating with tight cash flow. Furthermore, the $150,000 credit line cap may not be sufficient for businesses with larger financing requirements. In summary, Fundbox presents an excellent option for small business owners seeking fast, transparent, and flexible funding solutions for short-term cash flow management and operational expenses. Its streamlined application, rapid access to funds, and transparent pricing make it a compelling solution in the alternative lending landscape. Click the links in the description to learn more about Fundbox and determine if it aligns with your business financing objectives. This review aims to equip you with the information you need to decide if Fundbox is the right funding choice for your business.